One very quick thing that I want to note before you begin using the spreadsheet is that when you open it up, you may see this warning at the top. This warning appears because some of the functions link out to external URLs so that you can take images such as from your venue or places that you're traveling for your honeymoon and insert them right into your spreadsheet. So you can absolutely click allow access so that that functionality can happen and nothing will be harmed in your spreadsheet. The next tab is the vendors tab. In this tab, you can keep track of and research different vendors for your wedding. You can add in whatever vendors you want, and I include some common ones at the top. In my own wedding, we've done things like photographer, videographer, flowers, transportation, DJ, but you can truly add whatever you want here. The way that you'll do this is for each of these sections, you can add in the vendor type. So if, for example, I wanted to search for transportation here, I could add my title and then use all of the sections below for research. If you need more than the space provided, you can insert another row by right-clicking inside of the box and selecting Insert one row above. You may need to drag down the currency just like this. After that, you can add in the details for the different vendors that you research. You can add in a name, a phone, an email, a location, details of the packages, whether or not you've inquired, availability, cost, and any other notes. At the end, you can also add in a link, maybe to a portfolio or to a website, by selecting the link emoji and clicking the insert link symbol above and pasting in your link and selecting apply. That way you can just click on the link and jump right over to the URL that you have linked it to. Once you've selected a vendor, you can check it off just like this so you can see which of the vendors that you've researched you've chosen to go with. This layout should help you to compare pros and cons of different vendors so that you can make the best choice for your wedding. And we give you lots of different boxes and areas to use in this tab to help you plan and research. The next tab we are going to go over is the Venues tab. As you can see, I've already filled out some details of this tab so you can get an idea of what it can look like, but this is where you can research different venues and see what different venues offer in comparison to others. Once you've decided on a venue, you can check it off at the top so that you know that's the venue you've selected. Now, a lot of this tab is simple to use, but there are a few key things I want to explain. First of all, in the section to the side, you can add in different details. So for example, you could add in different dates that you want to check the availability of, different details you want to check for different venues, cost associated with them, what's included, and any other notes and details. If you need more space for any of the sections, you can simply right-click on the lowest, slightly darker bar anywhere in the row and click Insert one row above, and now you should have another fully functional row. At the top, there's also this plus sign, and if you click this, you can expand a section that gives some of my own suggestions based on what I researched with my own venues. And then you could just easily add these in to your sections to research as well. Again, these are totally optional and you don't have to use them at all, but I wanted to give you a little bit of guidance here from someone who's already gone a bit through the process. And you can easily collapse that by just clicking the minus sign as well. To add in the images here, it's incredibly simple. All you need to do is find the image online that you want to use. I'm just using this free stock image website, but you'll likely want to use an actual image of the venue from its own website. And then once you find the image you want to use, you can right-click the image, click Copy Image Address. And then once you're in the spreadsheet, just paste that address into one of the cells beneath image, and then your image should populate. It might take a few seconds, just like that. And then, of course, in each section, we also have a lot of information for the contact. You can check off if it's inquired, available on certain dates. You can add in a link to the website, whatever you want that is going to help you with researching your different venues.